Hello friends, today we are back with a new video on how to learn vocabulary with the help of mnemonics. In the last video, we discussed 20 new words of letter A. The video link is in the description below. Today we will learn 20 more words. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video useful. Let's start. Artifact means object made by human being. Split it as RT plus fact. Relate RT to artificial. When something is not natural or made by human, then it is called artificial. So, artifact means object made by human being. Artifice means deception or trickery. Split it as RT plus fice. Relate RT to artificial and fice to fish. Imagine in a restaurant, when you order fish curry, they give you artificial fish to eat. That means they are cheating you. So, artifice means deception or trickery. Artisan means skilled worker or craftsman. Split it as artist plus an. Relate artist to artist. An artist is a skilled worker in his profession. So, artisan means skilled worker or craftsman. Artless means without guile, open and honest. Split it as art plus less. In the previous video, we learned the word artful, which means clever or skillful, especially in a cunning way. In this word, replace full with less, which are opposites. So, artless is an opposite of cunning. So, artless means open and honest. Ascendancy means controlling influence or domination. In childhood, we learnt about ascending order, which means smallest number comes first and so on to the largest number. In an examination, someone who comes first has more knowledge and obviously he will have more influence or domination in the class. So, ascendancy means controlling influence or domination. Ascetic means practicing self-denial or characterized by severe self-discipline and abstination. In one of the previous videos, we have learnt the meaning of the word aesthetic, which means beauty. Someone who is not interested in aesthetics will always self-deny for any cosmetic products because he does not care about beauty. So, ascetic means practicing self-denial. So, ascetic is characterized by severe self-denial and abstination. Ascribe means refer or assign. Ascribe sounds like describe. When you describe or explain a concept, you refer it to a standard textbook in case of any doubts. So, ascribe means refer or assign. Aseptic means preventing infection. Split it as A plus septic. When we get hurt somewhere, if infection occurs, then we call it septic. So, when A is added to septic, it gives opposite sense. So, aseptic means preventing infection. Asinine means stupid. Split it as plus inine. Relate as to as, which means donkey. Donkey is often continued to be shown as stupid, clumsy, and slow. So, asinine means stupid. Askance means indirect look. Split it as ask plus ains. Relate ains to glance. Glance means look at someone. When you want to glance someone without the other person noticing, you give an indirect look. So, askance means indirect look. Askew means crookedly or slanted. Split it as ask plus EW. Relate you to you. When someone asks you question in front of everyone, you can't answer them crookedly or rudely. So, askew means crookedly or slanted. Asperity means sharpness. Split it as asperi plus ty. Relate asperi to aspirin. Aspirin is used to reduce sharp or severe headache. So, asperity means sharpness. Assail means assault. Split it as plus sail. Relate sail to salesman. If a salesman does not reach the target given by his boss, then he is assaulted. So, assail means assault. Assay means analyze or evaluate. Assay sounds like essay. Essay is an explanation of particular topic in which different aspects of that topic are analyzed or discussed. So, assay means analyze or evaluate. Assent means agree or accept. Split it as plus ent. Relate as to yes. When someone says yes to your question, it means they are agreeing or accepting. So, assent means agree or accept. Assiduous means showing great care and perseverance. Split it as plus iduous. As is a donkey and it is very hardworking. So, assiduous means hardworking or showing great care and perseverance. Assimilate means absorb. Assimilate sounds like accumulate. Accumulate means bringing similar things together. So, assimilate means absorb. Assuage means make less intense. Split it as plus uage. It sounds like as, donkey, and usage. While climbing mountain, people use donkey to take their luggage, which relieves them. So, assuage means make less intense. Assurance means promise or pledge. Assurance sounds like insurance, life insurance, bike insurance, etc. Insurance companies pledge us that if something happens to our bike or life, they will help us by providing money. So, assurance means promise or pledge. Astral means relating to stars. Split it as A plus ST plus RUL. Relate ST to star and RUL to related. So, related to stars is called astral. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video useful and subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Thank you.